What started off as light rain this morning turned into a flash flood warning in Yuma County. Reporter Valeria Rodriguez was at the scene.
I'm here in the intersection of 4th Avenue and 22nd Street. And as you can see all around me, there is a major flooding right now. This water gets up all the way up to my ankles. The rain has stopped, but there still is a lot of flooding left. It's been a while since Yuma has seen this much rain.
The flooding is insane. I've never seen this much water in one place like this.
I've lived here my whole life, and that's crazy. I live 3 blocks away, and it took me 10 minutes to get here.
Oh my God.
It's kind of crazy that it's flooded, but I mean, it's pretty nice that we get some rain. We finally get some rain.
Residents tried to go through the flooded waters, with some getting stuck. Others went a different way. The city of Yuma did not plan to start off the month of September like this.
Honestly, it's been a long time that we haven't seen it like this, so it's kind of crazy, you know. You just see a lot of cars. Haven't really seen accidents though, so that's good.
Never like
it's usually not this bad.
Yeah.
This is the worst I've ever seen for Fry's parking lot.
In my opinion,
It's usually up on the other side of O'Reilly's that gets this bad.
Other locals took advantage of the floods. Make sure to stay up to date with the latest weather updates on our website at kyma.com. Reporting in Yuma, Valeria Rodriguez.